ready for this.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are exploring one of the Hyderabad's most iconic shopping and lifestyle destination, IKEA Hyderabad. Whether you are looking for stylish furniture, affordable home decor, delicious food, or simply a fun day out, IKEA has something for everyone. Did you know IKEA Hyderabad was the first IKEA store in India, opened in 2018?
సో ఇలాంటివి మ్యూజిక్ ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంట్ వచ్చేసరికి నాలో ఉండే సంగీతం ఉండే ఆ ఎలిమెంట్ అనేది ఇక్కడ బయటకు వస్తుంది అనమాట. చూడండి
IKEA Hyderabad, located in high-tech city. The store was built on approximately 13 acres and attracts millions of visitors every year. Many people come here not only for shopping but also for inspiration, photography, and spending quality time with family and friends. As soon as you enter IKEA, you will notice that it is designed like a journey. Instead of traditional shopping, IKEA takes you through beautifully designed rooms, setups where you can experience products in real life situations. Every room is carefully arranged to give ideas for small apartments, modern homes, study spaces, kitchens, and bedrooms. Things about IKEA is how they maximize space. Even small rooms can look spacious and elegant with smart furniture arrangements. Notice how every step tells a story. You can literally imagine living in these spaces. IKEA truly shines. You will find cushions, candles, artificial plants, wall art, mirrors, lighting solutions, storage boxes. Of affordable home decor items. Even if you're not buying furniture, you can easily find useful products to improve your home. Unique concepts is the self-serve warehouse. After selecting furniture from the display areas, customers can collect flat packed products from the warehouse section. The flat packed system helps reduce transportation costs and keeps products affordable. You can either assemble the furniture yourself or use assembly services. Some fun facts. Here are some interesting facts about IKEA Hyderabad. First IKEA store in India. Around 7,500 products available. Approximately 1,000 products priced under 200 during launch initiatives. One of largest IKEA stores features a huge restaurant with around 1,000 seats. That's why IKEA is more than just a furniture store, it's a complete experience.
సో ఇలాగ హ్యాపీగా మనం ఒక గంట 2 గంటలు వచ్చి ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ చేయొచ్చు. బట్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, ఎప్పటికైనా యూ హ్యావ్ టు థింక్ బిగ్. ఇవన్నీ సాధించాలని, ఇవన్నీ కొంటేనే బాగుంటుందని మీరు ఖచ్చితంగా అయితే మీరు యూ హ్యావ్ టు ట్రై ఇన్ యువర్ లైఫ్. సో ఇవన్నీ లగ్జరీ అనేవి మీ సొంతం అవుతుంది. సో దీనికి కావాల్సింది మీరు బాగా చదువుకొని బాగా అయితే డబ్బులు సంపాదించాలి.
Our complete IKEA Hyderabad exploration. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Comment below which section of IKEA was your favorite. Have you visited IKEA Hyderabad before? Stay tuned for more exciting travel, lifestyle and exploration videos. Until next time, keep exploring and keep smiling. Bye bye everyone.